Welcome back to Math with Miss Lena and to another episode of Bridging the Gap, How Public and Engaged Humanities Can Transform Math Education. Today we are exploring a question at the heart of education. Why does global math history matter in today's classrooms? At first glance, math might seem universal. Numbers and equations apply everywhere. But the stories behind the numbers are anything but uniform. Every culture, every civilization has contributed to the math we learn today, and recognizing that matters deeply for students' sense of belonging, identity, and appreciation of learning. Let's start in Africa, where some of the earliest mathematical thinking occurred. Take the Ishango bone from Central Africa, which dates back nearly 20,000 years. Its carved notches suggested early arithmetic, addition, subtraction, even prime numbers. Or consider ancient Egypt, where scribes used geometry to design pyramids, measure land, and manage trade. The Rhind mathematical papyrus, written around 1650 BCE, includes problems with fractions, areas, and volumes, math applied to real life. Across West Africa, cultures developed complex numerical systems like the Yoruba base 20 counting method and express mathematical ideas in art, architecture, and textiles, creating fractal patterns centuries before the concept existed in Western mathematics. But Africa is just one part of a larger global story. India gave us the concept of zero in the decimal system. China developed advanced techniques for algebra and astronomy using counting rods. The Islamic Golden Age built on Greek and Indian knowledge to formalize algebra, algorithms, and trigonometry. Math evolved through translation, trade, and cross-culture collaboration, spreading ideas from one region to another, showing that mathematics has always been a shared human achievement. So why does this matter in today's classrooms? When students learn only a narrow, Eurocentric story of math, it can feel exclusive. But when we tell the global story, including Africa, Asia, the Middle East, and the Americas, students see themselves reflected in the history of human knowledge. They realize that their cultures, ancestors, and communities have always been part of the story of math. This fosters inclusion, belonging, and cultural appreciation, encouraging students to engage confidently with math. Bridging global math history into classrooms isn't just about diversity, it's about humanizing math. It shows that problem solving, innovation, and creativity is universal. It empowers students to approach math as a collaborative, culturally rich practice, not just abstract numbers on a page. Global math history matters because it reminds us mathematics is human and humans are diverse. Every culture contributes, every story